Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display assembly from a Dell Latitude E6230. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide tabs out to unlock and remove battery. Press in and remove SD card. Press in and remove express card. Now unscrew and remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect palmrest. Then remove upper and lower keyboard screws. Now turn over and disconnect keyboard. Then unscrew bracket and disconnect display cable. Now disconnect antenna cables from network cards. Now guide antenna cables through palmrest. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.